In this exercise, we will be writing the script to automate the functioning. So we in last exercise we have seen the importance of the accessibility identifier, because this will make your script look better. So instead of indexing using 0, 1 to 3, you can index using the identifier. So before you run your instrument, you first make sure that you run your application and check whether everything is working fine or not. So once you run your application, your simulator will come up. You click on your text field. You need to automate this entire cycle, right? So now I'll stop the application. I'll press Command I. It will open up the instrument. I select the automation. Now I'll be writing some script. So I've already copied the script. So what I'll do, I've given the script as a test one. I'll first get the device target, then get the app, then get the window on the app to start with the view hierarchy. I'll give the name logger start as test name. I'll print the elementary. Now I'll say I want to tab. I'll have to make sure that always the first tab is selected. So I'll first get the reference of the tab bar by saying app.tab bar. App is my basically application. Now I want to get the name of the tab bar. So I'll say tab bar dot selected button. Now selected button is nothing but a name dot name. Now if the selected name is not equal to home, that means some other tab is selected. So what we'll say, tab bar has a buttons array of buttons, where we'll be indexing home instead of 0, 1 to 3 dot tab. Now I want to tap on the text field, then only the keyboard will come, right? So I'll say when I click on the keyboard, I need to enter 12. So I'll give the input value as 12. Now I need to get the reference of the text field. So I'll say window is the root of entire hierarchy, dot text fields. It will have an array of text fields. Now I will index that text field with number text field as a index, which is identifier, which will identify my number text field. So instead of writing 0, 1, 2, accessibility identifier will help me to make my code look cleaner. Dot set value to the input number. So I'm setting the value to the text field as input number. Now there's a play button at the bottom. You just click on that. It'll start running your script on its own. Automatically 12 comes in. Wow. Now in next exercise we'll see how to dismiss the keyboard and validate the value in your label, whether the label value is 22 or not, and that way we can compare whether the test was successful or it was not successful.